We are now taking a live look over Cape Canaveral, Florida. You can see that satellite preparing for that big launch later on.
That's right. We're going to check in now with Chris Mulcahy. I know, Chris, you've been watching this as well. We've been talking about this. You have some information.
Yeah, no, well, first off, all systems hopefully a go. So it's supposed to be right here at 7:30. I'm not hearing anything that things are going to be scrubbed at this point. Atmospheric conditions are in line. We actually have 17 seconds till launch. You can see it right here. Let's do a fun countdown here. Officially coming up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1. Engines full power. And liftoff. Go Falcon, go IMAP, go Swifo L1, and go Corruptors.
And we are flying 3 new missions on a million-mile journey to track space weather. Good-looking flight so far. Our tracking cameras getting a great shot as this mission climbs into the sky. We'll be looking now for those engines to throttle down as we go through max Q, the time of maximum dynamic pressure on the vehicle.
Falcon 9 power and telemetry are nominal.
That's right. So coming up is max Q, which is the maximum aerodynamic pressure, largest structural load the vehicle will experience. So slowing it down helps to reduce some of the load it experiences.
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
And that will help us recover and reuse the first stage. Following max Q, we'll be able to throttle those engines back up as atmospheric density drops.
Max Q. And back chill.
Well, there it is. Launch a success. The biggest hassle usually for these launches is to make sure that the weather is just right. The winds cannot be more than 20 miles per hour, even a wind gust, but everything was perfect. And looks like everything's system go, so that is fantastic. And this is going to give so much research. These satellites are going to observe atmospheric conditions from space to better understand the solar winds. That's going to help us for the forecasting of the northern lights, and also the aurora australis, which is the one in the southern hemisphere, and also just the auroras in general. Better communication for the GPS, and also track power grid blackouts as well. So this is a really big deal for us scientists as well, but also it's really nice to see a successful launch as we just saw there.
And here's the thing, a lot of people are working this. I actually have a friend who works for NASA. She just texted me and said, our space flight is launching. She just texted me,
cool.
My spacecraft is launching. So it's like, yay.
That's a great story.
Well, and think about
But it's so important because we're talking about the research that they're doing. As you said, benefits so many of us in ways that we don't even think about.
And you have a friend there.
Yes.
There are friends on friends that work for there that takes billions of mathematical equations that have to be perfect for that all to align. Coming down to the exact ratio of the fuel to the atmospheric conditions, aerodynamics. So it's always spectacular when things go as smooth as this is. And it was a lot of science talk, but everyone was super excited that everything went just right. And look at this. We are already seeing the beautiful blue.
It's just fascinating. It really is. I mean, to see our planet below and to understand the work that goes behind this. And as you said, so many calculations, so much data that they will be collecting that will really help all of us.
And everyone is celebrating right now. And thank you to your friend.
Yes.
For all the, do we get to give her a name shout or is
I
it
told her I
confidential?
wouldn't name her, so.
Okay, well, Lisa's friend, we appreciate you and all your work. And congratulations, NASA. Can't wait to see all the research that comes from this.